What's up, guys? I'm over here in Bangkok in some off the beaten track location. God knows where I'm at. I think I'm in the fabric market or something. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take you on a quick little journey throughout this neighborhood, and let's see what's in store for us today. Come on. Where are we, man? It looks like I just happen to be in like the gun zone or something. Wow, this place is packed. I didn't even know about this stuff. Let's keep on looking. Come on. Wow, man, it's like 2 or 3 blocks of this stuff everywhere. This whole area, it's all guns and stuff. Then they got cases and clips, bulletproof vests. Now you definitely don't want to come here and try to rob somebody, that's for sure. We got shops behind me, shops in front of me. I guess you cannot film. They said no filming. So I'll keep on walking down the block. Let's see what else I got. That looks to be it, man. Well, hope you guys liked that video. That was definitely something different. Red Cowboy, signing out.